This is Sharkbite angle stop quarter turn. This angle stop, one side is 1/2 inch, another side is 1/4 inch. And it comes with the disconnector. It's very convenient. We're going to use that later. And this is a stop. It's a quarter turn, actually very smooth. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect them. One side I'm using the copper, the other side I'm using the PEX, and then how to remove them. Let's get started. First step, cut the copper. After the copper was cut, you need to remove the burr. Now you see it's really sharp. First one, to remove the outside, using this way, and push hard and turn. Let's using this side to clean the inside. Then mark the copper, 0.95 inch. You don't need to use the sandpaper to sand the surface, but you're gonna make sure that the copper tube is round and there's no dirt, no damage. If you need to cut the PEX, just using the tube cutting tool like this, make sure it's square and make a cut. And then after you cut, we need to make a mark. I just put a chart on the screen, and for 1/4 inch, the length is 0.82, about right here of an inch. Let's check the inside. The 1/2 inch side, there's inner tube. So if you are using PEX, the inner tube must be in there. And you will see the metal teeth. This metal teeth is actually the grab ring. When you push the tube in, the grab ring will grab the tube to make it secure. And the inside here, there's an O-ring. So the O-ring is actually seal the tube. So if you don't push enough, like you push here, the O-ring may not seal the tube, so it will cause the leak. So you have to be pushed all the way in. So that's why we need to make a mark. And on the 1/4 inch side, there's no inner tube. It's pretty heavy duty, so you don't need an inner tube. So install the 1/2 inch side. You make sure that the inner collar comes out and put into the tube. Here you can either use copper or use PEX. Make sure they're lined up and push. So my line is pushed all the way in. We're good here. So let's connect to the other side. So other side is pretty simple. Same thing, just to push. Make sure the mark facing you. Okay, right here. So you can see the mark is right here, and it can't push any further, means that we're good now. But sometimes you may change your plan or just made a mistake, so you want to remove it. For Sharkbite, it's actually super simple. And this tool gives you the disconnector already, so let's disconnect them. All you need to do is just use the opening to put it on the tube. So just make sure that it's facing the inner collar here. All we want to do is push the inner collar and at the same time grab the tube. You need to push really, really hard. Like this. And let's do the other side. Same way. Okay, if you need to remove a lot of them, I advise you to buy a special tool. It's called Sharkbite tongue to remove those stuff. My finger is really hurt. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.